In front of me is ZTE Blade A31, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this phone. So at first you need to reach your camera, then click on settings icon, and if you'd like to activate self timer, smoothly locate its icon. So here you've got it, countdown duration. Find it, and now you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 3 seconds, and from now on you can grab a picture with 3 seconds delay, so you can activate and use camera timer. Whenever you would like to turn it off, just click on settings icon, pick countdown duration and select off. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.